सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। नमो सद्गुरु तुकया ज्ञानदीपा, नमो सद्गुरु सच्चिदानंद रूपा, नमो सद्गुरु भक्त कल्याण मूर्ति, नमो सद्गुरु भास्करा पूर्ण कीर्ति। संपाद्य ज्ञानं च विधाय भक्तिं, विलोकितो येन समाधिराजः। वैराग्यवन्तं सुविचारयुक्तं, नमामि जोगं शिरसा गुरुन्तं। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं, नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं, सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरम्। Welcome everybody. Today is the 13th day of this Adhik Mas, Purushottam Mas. Let us enjoy what Tukaram Maharaj is saying to us. Today Tukaram Maharaj is going to tell us what should we do having got this human birth. What should we do having arrived in this human birth? This he is going to tell. And somebody will ask, why should we do that? Then he is going to give proper reasoning about why should we start our spiritual journey, why should we pursue moksha. That he is going to clarify with rational and logical reasoning. Okay, so let us sing this wonderful song. आले हो संसारा तुम्ही एक करा, आले हो संसारा तुम्ही एक करा। मुक्ती मार्ग हळूची धरा, मुक्ती मार्ग हळूची धरा। काळदंड कुंभ यातना थोरा, काळदंड कुंभ यातना थोरा। कार्य अघोरा दचक सेना, कार्य अघोरा दचक सेना। नाही त्या यमासी करुणा, नाही त्या यमासी करुणा। आले हो संसारा, आले हो a man or a jiva. Tukaram Maharaj is having conversation with jiva. Ho, ale ho samsara, having arrived in this human birth. Tumhi ek kara, we have to-do list or agenda in our life. Tukaram Maharaj says, don't give priority to other agendas. Let us have one agenda, one goal. Ek kara, one thing you do. Ale ho samsara, having got or having arrived in this mortal world. What I should do? Tumhi ek kara. What? Mukti marg haluch dhara. See, beautiful words. Mukti marg, path which takes you to moksha, or path which leads you to moksha, that you start walking now. When having come in this mortal world or in this body, you start slowly your journey on this spiritual path. Okay, yes, haluchi dhara means don't rush on this path. You know, some people are there, if spirituality comes in front of them, they will jump. and if they find nothing is there, they will again go from the spirituality. Haluchi dhara means what? You think before entering into spiritual world. You think twice. You have lot of experiences of this world, and that bitter experiences will push you in the spiritual world. Haluchi dhara, don't try to go fast on this path, one meaning. And once you arrived on this path, once you start walking on this path, then don't worry about the result. Slowly you get up, get in, and slowly you walk. Tuka mane ete na chale tatadi. In this path, there is no chances of rushing. If you rush, you will not get it. Aleho samsara, having come in this world, mukti marga, that path which takes you to moksha, that you hold on to, or that on that path you start walking. Somebody will say, why should I walk on this path? Tukaram Maharaj gives reason, a proper reason. Kala danda kumbha yatana thora. If you don't walk on this path, you will not have punya in your life. You will do papam in your life, and when you do papam, then kala danda. Kala danda means a stick. That punishment of kala. Kala here means death, god of death, Yama. That Yama will punish you with his stick, Kala danda. And how he will punish? Kumbha yatana thora. In actually Bhagavatam, there are 28 kinds of naraka, bad places. In that, Kumbha yatana is one kind of punishment. He is going to elaborate upon that. So let us see when it comes. Kala danda kumbha yatana thora. So dreadful. You can't bear that. That much torture, that much punishment is there of this Yama. That is why you start this spiritual journey. You start accumulating punya. Don't run after money all the time. Have some punya which will give you benefit from this world also. If you see, if you have Indian currency, that Indian currency will not work in America unless you convert it into dollar. That dollar will not work in some other country. Whatever wealth we have on this planet, that wealth will not work in Swarga Loka. You need different kind of wealth. You can't say I have house in Mrityu Loka. They will say then go to Mrityu Loka. Punya is the one currency which works everywhere. In Mrityu Loka, Swarga, Patal, everywhere, this punya will work. That is why we say have this spirituality, have punyam, and punyat sukham. Sukham labhate. From punya you will get sukham. Then why aren't you afraid of this Kala danda and Kumbha yatana, which is very dreadful, which is very horrible? Aren't you afraid? Kare aghora dachakashina. Why don't you stop doing wrong things? Why don't you start spiritual journey? Aghora dachakasina. Don't you have any fear towards this Kala danda and Kumbha and Naraka? Why don't you start this journey? Aleho samsara, you do only one thing. Doing is also four categories are there. What I can do, what I want to do, what I should do, and what I must do. In that three, if you don't do, doesn't matter. Yes, you will have loss in your life, but what one thing you should do, you must. There is one last category you must do. In that, you must pursue or you must seek spirituality. This you must do. Whether you can do it or not, secondary, but you must. Ought to be done. This is. Okay. Why don't you afraid of this Kumbha yatana? Tukaram Maharaj says, why don't you have fear of Yama, god of death? We say there is no Naraka, there is no Papa Punya, and there is no Yama concept. Unnecessarily they have created this fanciful thinking. We are modern people and we will work according to our intellect. Okay, whether you believe in fire hot or not, that fire will give you that blister on your hand. It will burn you whether you believe it or not. Same way our Shastra, Veda, Vedanta, Purana, whether you like it or not, it is like that. And you will also see, you will go through it, then only you will believe on that. Chalo. Nahi tya yamasi karona, nahi tya yamasi karona, baher kadhita kode prana, baher kadhita kode prana, ओढाळ सापडे जैसे धान्या, ओढाळ सापडे जैसे धान्या, चोरयात ना धरी जे तो, चोरयात ना धरी जे तो, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा. You know why all the time they say you give up samsara, having come in this world you give up samsara, bhajasva mam. Why do they say like that? We feel, why these people, what's wrong with these people? They never enjoy the bhoga and enjoyment of this world. Why they always say you give up that, you give up that? Why? And we will not give up just by they are saying. Just they are saying, by their saying, we are not going to give up this whole world. Have we given up so far? How many days? Since how many days we know this world is mithya and it will give sukham? Who has given up all this bhoga and all? Nobody. Just by saying something, you give up this world, I am not going to let go of this world. Then when this will happen? Question. When I will have dispassion from this world, detachment from this world, then our answer is, when do we detach or give up anything in our life? Let us think psychologically. When do I give up anything in my life? When I see dukkham in particular thing, that time I give up that. I don't give up things when people says to me, you give up this. This is the science. When I give up thing, when I see dukkham in particular thing, I will give up. And when I see sukham in that thing, I will be clinging on to it. No matter who says what, I am not going to let go of. Same way, when they say ale ho samsara mukti marga haluchi dhara, means you have dosha drushti, dukkha drushti towards this world. You have means actually it is dukkha swarupam, but I feel it is happiness. Oh, I want this. And when after by the time or eventually you realize I was wrong. That is why they say you start now itself. So when I see dosha drushti in that, I give up a thing. And when do I give up things? Second point, now he is mentioning, when we see bad consequences, dreadful consequences of a particular thing, then I give up that. And that he is explaining what consequences you will be facing in future. So when I see something is going to be very bad with me in future, I give up that thing now itself. Same way, why I should pursue Lord or God? Because if I don't pursue, I am going to end up in this bad and dreadful things, horrible things, which I can't handle. He is going to explain everything. He says, Nahi tya yamasi karuna. Yama means that death, God of death, he doesn't have any mercy. He is relentless. No compassion at all. That Yama. Bahera kadita kudi prana. Kudi means this body. And Bahera kadita, when he pulls or drags prana from our body, sukshma sharira from our body, that time he doesn't have any compassion, any soft corner. He is going to just pull it away. You have your force and he will apply his force. Who is going to win? He is going to win, because at the old age I am almost gone. and then he will pull all my pranas out and he will take that Sukshma Sharira out of this body. And how he will treat me, how Yama will treat me, Odhala jaise sapade dhanya. Animals are there, like a cow is there, but that cow is not good cow. Like how we are people, human being, some people are not good people. Like that animal also, they have bad animals. In that Odhala means not sincere animal. Animals also are sincere. Huh? Human beings are peculiar, but animals also, they are sincere. Then out of them, one animal is little bit off track. Odhala means off track. And when that off track cow goes to eat that grains, that time how a owner of a farm, he punishes that cow very badly. Same way the person, the owner punishes the cow, same way death, Lord of death will punish me. This is first example why I should be afraid, because that punishment is very, you can't imagine. I have not gone through that, but I have Shastra faith. Whatever Shastra says, I am with you. Okay. Chora yatana dhari jeto. You imagine second example. One thief is there and he is almost entered into that house and started, gathering things, amassing things in his pocket or in his bag. And suddenly some people, they came to know there is thief. And when they found out this is the thief, are they going to do arti of that thief? Are they going to garland that thief? No, they are going to punish heavily to that thief. Same way, if I don't pursue spirituality, if I do papa karma, which I am not supposed to do, then Yama will punish me. This is the clear cut meaning. Chora yatana dhari jeto. Okay. Tukaram Maharaj is explaining what is the law of karma in next stanza. Nahi dile पावईल कैसा, नाही दिले पावईल कैसा, चालता पंथे तेने वळसा, चालता पंथे तेने वळसा, नसेल ठाऊके ऐकतो कैसा, नसेल ठाऊके ऐकतो कैसा, नेती बंद जैसा धरोनिया, नेती बंद जैसा धरोनिया, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा. नाही दिले पावईल कैसा. Tukaram Maharaj says, whatever we get in our life, that things already we have done in this life or in previous life. Our complaint is what all the time? I have done good things in my life. I have never hurt anybody. I have never done any wrong thing with anybody. But still, why this kind of consequences or other wrong things around me? Why this is there? This is my always question. Now we say you might not have done in this birth, but you have done in past life. Okay. Nahi dile pavail kaisa. Whatever you have not done in your life, how the result of that karma will come to you? This is karma siddhanta. Kruta vipranasha. Whatever you have done, nasha of that will not happen. Kruta vipranasha. Nasha will not happen. Nasha will not happen of that. It is called Kruta vipranasha. And whatever you have done, it will not give you result. This will not happen. You will have result of that whatever you have done. This karma siddhanta he is explaining. नाही दिले पावईल कैसा. Whatever you have not done, you will not get the result of that. Okay, and whatever you have done, you will get result of that. नाही दिले पावईल कैसा, चालता पंथे तेने वळसा. And when you walk on this wrong path, वळसा, you will go round and round. If you are not following good path, you will go round and round. Chalata panthe. Panthe means path. When you walk on this path, then you will have problems. But when you come to spirituality, there is no problem. Nasela thauke. If you don't know about this dreadful journey of Jiva, aikato kaisa. Now I will tell you. नसेल ठाऊके ऐकतो कैसा. If you don't know, I will tell you. नेती बंद जैसा धरोनिया. How this yama takes us after this body. As soon as we drop this body, we will get yatana sharira, and that yatana sharira will be carried to particular narkas. This is how our journey after this body continues. And whatever we have done, we are going to get it. Whatever we have not done, we will not have in our life. Okay. Then he is describing how is this naraka. शन एक नागवा पायी, शन एक नागीवा पायी, न चलवे तया करिता काही, न चलवे तया करिता काही, ओडिती कांट व ना सोई, ओडिती कांट व ना सोई, अग्निस्तंभ बाही कवटाळवीती, अग्निस्तंभ बाही कवटाळवीती, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा. शन एक नागिवा पाई. Barefoot. If I ask you to walk, will you walk? No. Even for a single minute, you won't walk without footwears. शन एक नागिवा पाई, न चलवे तया करिता काही. Now he is giving how we live and what will be the future if we don't go by righteous path. Right now I can't walk barefooted. I can't walk. There what will be the condition? Shana eka nagava pai, na chalave. I can't walk. Taya karita kahi. No matter what you do, I can't walk. If that bhumi is hot or without footwear, I can't walk. Then what will be the punishment there? Oditi kantavana soi. The thorns are there, and they will remove my all clothes and they will drag me. They will pull me from that thorns. You see what kind of condition will be there. Right now I can't walk without footwear, and there they will drag me on the thorns, very sharp thorns. On that they will drag me. Oditi can't. And right now I embrace my wife, I embrace my children, I embrace good things. But if I embrace good things all the time in this mortal world, then in future I have to embrace Agni Stambha. There is hot pole, reddish hot pole, and they will ask me to embrace, cling on to that pole. Right now I am embracing my wife. But what will happen if I go on embracing my wife and all my family members? So you take out some time and you start spiritual journey. This is the telling here. Agni Stambha Bahi Kautalaviti. Next, Tukaram Maharaj says, when you see this, if you can imagine right now also these things, If you can visualize it, it is going to be very bad thing. चलो, देखो नी अंगे कापती, देखो नी अंगे कापती, तये नदी माझी चालवीती, तये नदी माझी चालवीती, लागे ठाव न चलवे बुडविती, लागे ठाव नान चलवे बुडविते, वरी मारिती यमदंड, वरी मारिती यमदंड, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा. Tukaram Maharaj says, देखो नी अंगे कापती. You start trembling, shivering just by seeing this. Suppose you are taken to Naraka and somebody is giving treatment to somebody and you see that. What will happen to you? You will be trembling. देखो नी अंगे कापती. Okay. And then what they will do? They will first task is, it is not like MTV task, okay? These are the very torturing tasks. Taye nadi maji chalaviti. There is one huge big river, and on that river they will ask me to walk. Okay, in river you are walking and river is full of water, brim, full of water, and you are walking in that river. Nadi maji chalaviti. And lage thavana, and you don't know how deep is that river. Na chalave, and when you walk and you lose your energy and strength, na chalave budaviti, and then they will drown you down. See the treatment here. When you see that, you are trembling. When they ask you to walk in river, and when you finish your energy, you exhaust your energy, then they will drown you down. And somehow when you come out from that water, vari mariti yamadanda, and they have that yamadanda stick, they will go on beating you when you come out from that water. For what purpose he is telling everything? You should you should have fear of that things, and you should now itself good things. If you listen, this is true, and don't have any fear, what is the use of this class now? No use. So you understand this, you have faith in Shastra, this is the fact, and start doing pious, righteous things. Okay. Then vari mariti yamadanda, they will beat me up. Next. तहान भूक न सहावे वेळ, तहान भूक न सहावे वेळ, तो राखीती किती एक काळ, तो राखीती किती एक काळ, पिंड पाळोनी कैसा शीतळ, पिंड पाळोनी कैसा शीतळ, तो तप्त भूमी ज्वाळ लोळवीते, तो तप्त भूमी ज्वाळ लोळवीते, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा, नाही त्या यमासे करुणा. तहान, thirst, भूक न सहावे. In each family there is one person who can't control his hunger and thirst. When he is hungry, he is less restless, and we all love to eat on time and good food and nice water. This is our lifestyle now. Tahan bhook na sahave vela. If somebody delays my food and meal, I am angry. Na sahave, I can't tolerate that, I can't bear that if I get 10 minutes my lunch and dinner late. I can't bear that. Okay. तो राखती किती एक काळ, when we don't do spiritual activities and when they will take me to Naraka, they will not give food for me month. Till 4-5 months they will not give me food. What will you do now? Right now you can shout, scream on your wife. But what will you do there? There you have to go through their treatment, how they give. So if sometime 10-15 minutes are here there, you see, you understand how much they are working. Full day they have to work and prepare food for you, wash clothes and dishes, flooring, everything they have to do. 10 minutes here there, we can't manage that. We should manage. If you can't manage here, you are going to suffer there, because they will not give food for months. Okay. पिंड पाळोनी कैसा शीतळ. Pinda means this body. Right now I have fan, AC, and I can go out here there and I can take care of my body. Good things I can give it to you. Shital means cool things. Cool things I can give it to my body. But there what will happen? तो तप्त भूमि ज्वाळ लोळविती. There is hot, tapta bhumi, heated land, and on that they will ask me to, roll down. They will ask me to roll down from here to there. Lolaviti. I will be sleeping on that floor. Lolaviti. I will be sleeping and flipping here and there on that floor. And that floor is not cool floor. It is tapta bhumi jwala. Very hot. And jwala means agnis are there, flames are there. On that they will ask me to sleep. Right now I am happy with AC and fan and everything. But if I don't follow spirituality, what will happen? I will have to sleep on that tapta bhumi. Okay. Last, Tukaram Maharaj says, therefore. Therefore means having understood the scenario of Naraka, now you do this. Mhanavoni kara kahi sayas. मनवोनी करा काही सायास. वावेल तरी वारे उदास. वावेल तरी वावे उदास. करवेल तरी करा नाम घोष. करवेल तरी करा नाम घोष. सेवा भक्ती रस तुका म्हणे. सेवा भक्ती रस तुका म्हणे. नाही त्याय मासी करुणा. नाही त्याय मासी करुणा. बाहेर काढिता कोडी प्राणा. बाहेर काढिता कोडी प्राणा. ओढाळ जैसे सापडे धन्या. ओढाळ जैसे सापडे धन्या. चोर यात ना धरी जेतो. चोर यात ना धरी जेतो. नाही न्याय मासी करुणा. नाही त्याय मासी करुणा. Tukaram Maharaj says, therefore, मनवोनी करा काही सायास. Therefore you put forth effort to walk on this spiritual journey. म्हणवोनी करा काही सायास. And what you do? वावेल तरी वारे उदास. If you can have detachment from things, then you should have that detachment. He is not he is not saying this is mandatory, but this is an hint, or this is a milestone to walk on this path. You can have vavela tari vare udasa. If you can detach yourself, it will be good. Udasa means indifferent. Ut means above and asa means to sit. You sit above on this body. Don't remain there in body identification. You elevate yourself from body identification to a jiva identification. Vavela tari vare udasa. And what you do? Karavela tari kara nama ghosha. If you can do nama ghosha, you please do. Okay, nama ghosha. Pundalika varada. Like that. Nama ghosha you do, ya nama chanting you do. Seva bhakti rasa tuka mhani. And you seva means, you can take seva also, but here seva means sevanam. You drink this nectar, this juice, bhakti rasam, devotional juice, you drink every day. Bhakti rasa tuka mhane. Tuka says, Tukaram Maharaj says, you drink this bhakti and seva rasa, and you do Lord's name chanting, and you give up this body identification. You rise above this body. Why? Nahi tyayamasi karuna. There is no compassion for this yama. Therefore, you having come in this whole world, mortal world, imam prapya bhajasva mam. You start doing seva, following my teaching in order to get peaceful life. Otherwise, these consequences, circumstances are there around me. How beautifully it is explained. Gist is, you should see the result, and according to that result you work. If you do wrong things, result is very bad. So if you don't want bad things, bad result, stop doing bad things. So simple. But our inner pressure, that doesn't allow us to do that. Okay. So a very beautiful verse. Aleho samsara. Having come to this world, start spiritual journey. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Ram Krishna Hari.